Are you a digital marketer trying to decide between ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel? Look no further. This video will provide an in-depth and a comparison between the two digital marketing platforms to help you determine which one is best for you. We will cover everything from features to pricing so you can make an informed decision and choose the tool. So if you are ready to find out who comes out on top in the ultimate showdown between ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel, read on. GoHighLevel versus ClickFunnels. When it comes to digital marketing tools, GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels are two of the most popular options on the market. But which one is right for you? Let's take a closer look at their features and tools to make you more informed. Both GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels offer a wide range of features to support your digital marketing efforts. GoHighLevel is known for its comprehensive CRM software allowing to manage and nurture leads effectively. On the other hand, ClickFunnels is renowned for its seamless funnel building capabilities, making it to create easy, while GoHighLevel focuses more on overall business management and ClickFunnels specializes in sales. So depending on your needs, one platform may be more suitable than the other. Whether you are a digital marketing newbie or seasoned pro, both the platform works well for you and you can use them. Plus, with one option like one funnel away challenge, ClickFunnels becomes more simple and expertise in their niche. Ultimately, the choice between GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels depends on your specific business needs also. Take some time to consider what features are most important to you and which platform will work best for you according to your strategy. So are you ready to make the right choice for your business? Pros and cons of using GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel offers numerous benefits for digital marketers. One of the biggest advantages, it is a CRM software and which allows to manage and nurture leads. This feature makes it easier to track customers' interaction, automate follow-ups, etc. and making marketing efforts. Additionally, GoHighLevel is a platform saves you time and effort by consolidating various marketing tools. You will have access to features like email marketing, SMS marketing, landing page, etc. inside same platform. However, GoHighLevel may not be best choice for only sales funnels, because if its primary strength lies on overall business management, not in the sales funnels. So if you are looking to build funnel, nonetheless, for digital marketers seeking an efficient and versatile platform for their various growth. Pros and cons of using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has a lot to offer for digital marketers. One of the main advantages is user-friendly and funnel building capabilities. I personally use ClickFunnels for building funnels and converting these landing pages and growing them to over $1 million in sales and driving traffic. The platform also provides a number of templates and customization options to help you to create funnels. Additionally, ClickFunnels offers integration, popular email marketing, payment gateways, etc. However, it is worth noting that ClickFunnels is primarily focused on sales funnels and may not provide the same level of comprehensive as GoHighLevel. And if you're looking for a tool specifically designed to optimize sales funnel, then I will say ClickFunnels is best. Comparison between GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels. When it comes to comparing both of them, it is important to consider the key differences. GoHighLevel excels in comprehensive business management and lead nurturing, while ClickFunnels is funnel designing software. On the other hand, ClickFunnels specializes in sales funnels. So if your main focus is driving sales and creating high converting landing pages, ClickFunnels is your way to go. However, if you're looking for a platform that combines business management and lead nurturing, then I think you should go for GoHighLevel. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific goal and preferences as a digital marketer. Use cases for GoHighLevel. If you are a digital marketer looking for a versatile platform to handle various marketing needs, GoHighLevel has you covered. This powerful tool is perfect for managing and nurturing leads, making it an excellent choice for business. With GoHighLevel, you can easily track customers' interaction, automate follow-ups, and personalize your marketing efforts. It's also an ideal platform for business that require comprehensive business management features. Whether you are running an email marketing campaign, SMS marketing, or building landing pages, GoHighLevel provides a seamless all-in-one solution for you. So if you are ready to take your digital marketing to next level, GoHighLevel is definitely worth considering. Use cases for ClickFunnels. Looking for tool that splashes, that is like pro in sales funnels and driving conversions, ClickFunnels is your go-to platform. With the initiative and user-friendly interface, ClickFunnels make it easy to create high-converting landing pages and sales funnels. This makes it ideal for digital marketers who want to optimize their conversion rate and drive sales. Whether you are a small business owner or an online entrepreneur or marketer looking to generate leads, ClickFunnels has a tool you need. With a range of templates, customization options, you can create a unique and professional-looking funnels that fits your brand. So if your main focus is sales and conversion optimization, ClickFunnels is perfect choice for you. Which one should you choose? So after weighing the pros and cons of both GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels, the question remains which one you should choose. As a digital marketer, the answer ultimately depends on your specific goals and preferences. Again, if you are looking for a versatile platform that combines comprehensive business management with marketing automation, GoHighLevel is good. It's perfect for managing and nurturing leads for your business solution. And if you are in the SaaS business also, on the other hand, if you have a main focus on driving sales and optimizing your conversion rate, ClickFunnels is the best choice. With its initiative funnel building capabilities, you can easily create high converting landing pages and sales funnels. Choose your tool which suits best for you, ClickFunnels or GoHighLevel. So this is the interface of ClickFunnels. If you want to log in, just go to clickfunnels.com, and this is for HighLevel. You can go to highlevel.com and just subscribe us if you like our video and hit the bell icon. Thank you.